Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can center objects um, in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do right now, actually before doing anything, uh, let me enable the screencast keys. So now maybe this will help you when I'm clicking on the keyboard, I'm pressing any keys. But now, please press on your keyboard Shift N, so we can move the cursor right in the middle to the world origin, and then please select your cube or whatever object you're working on, and you like to move it right to the world origin. Now this is the world origin. Sorry, the cursor that is in the world origin is right in the middle. Um, and we have the selection, which is the cube, and now we want to move the selection to the cursor, and the cursor is located to the world origin. Now all you have to do is just to click on selection to cursor, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.